state property, carrying us all the way to the city of Manila's last love, the Arroceros Forest Park.
Let us witness the revitalization of our beloved Pasig River. A river that will look and feel like the famous waterways across the world.
Today, this once forgotten stretch has been transformed into a renewed corridor of history, culture, connection, and hope along the Pasig River. People may now conveniently access Fort Santiago all the way to Arroceros, where they can also appreciate nature's gifts.
Our mission is simple, but it is difficult. To bring back the river to its pristine state, make it a vibrant waterway once again, for life, for culture, and for mobility.
The government's effort on this project has also been noticed in the Asian region. The Pasig River Esplanade was chosen by the joint jury of the United Nations Habitat Regional Office for Asia Pacific in Fukuoka, Japan, to receive the 2025 Asian Townscape Award.
Ang dami-dami ng presidente ang nag-ambisyon at gumawa nito. Wala pong natuloy. For almost 40 years na pinag-uusapan kung paano gagawin yung Pasig River. Sa panahon ng Presidente Marcos Jr., nangyari po itong katotohanan na ang Pasig River ay nagawa sa kanyang panahon. Kasi po, nakatutok siya.
More than a walkway,
Galing,
it
no?
is now a hub of
Sa panahon lang ni Bibi ang pala yung gumanda talaga, no?
opportunity towards a bagong Pilipinas. Here, in the Phase 4 of the Pasig River Esplanade, the river story continues to come in full circle. Restored, reconnected, and reborn.
Galing. Ganda.
At
The
this
best
time,
talaga si
to
BBM.
introduce our guest of honor, may we call on stage the Presidential Advisor for Pasig River Rehabilitation, Secretary Jose Rizalino L. Acuzar.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you to Presidential Advisor for the Pasig River Rehabilitation, Secretary Jerry Acuzar. Dito rin po ang ating Speaker Boji D. At lahat ng mga ating kasama sa legislatura, the excellencies of the diplomatic corps, the honorable members of the cabinet that are here, and Manila City Mayor Isko Domagoso, Asian Development Bank Country Director Mr. Andrew Jeffries, and of course one of the driving forces behind all of these that we have seen, the First Lady Lisa Araneta
Hello
Marcos.
sa mga taga-Bikutan dyan, shoutout ha.
Fellow
Abdul.
workers in government, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Every time we gather here by the Pasig River, we are reminded that progress does not always mean building something new. Sometimes, progress means bringing something beautiful back to life. Only 7 months after opening Phase 3 along Intramuros, we now see Phase 4 of the Pasig River Urban Development Project. This 530-meter stretch behind Manila Central Post Office all the way to Arroceros
Magiging proud
Park
talaga kayo
is
pag gano'n,
being
no?
reborn
Ganito ang
into a
presidente
vibrant
nyo.
riverside space featuring walkways, bike lanes, and commercial
Heroin
areas.
nyo.
This Phase 4 will connect seamlessly with Phase 1 of the project, creating a continuous
Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3,
riverside
Phase
path
4
that
ang
will link
natapos na.
people, culture, and
So, ibig
opportunity.
sabihin, pahahabaan yan,
Sikat
no?
ng pasyalan ng mga natapos ng bahagi ng proyektong ito. Tignan nyo po sa Instagram, sa TikTok, sa Facebook, marami na pong nagpo-post na bumibisita rito.
Oh.
These are the perfect
Na
spots
naman,
for
oh, sikat
everyone.
na yan
The
mga
food is-
kababayan.
There's a
Handa